Hey team, here's a short video on our flexible grommets. These are universal, and on the website they're listed for what specific model chassis they fit in terms of R32, 33 and 34 GDR, and also non-GDR chassis as well. And we will be expanding the range if you have requirements for custom sizes, so custom panel diameter, so the hole that the grommet will be fitted to, the wiring harness size that is passing through the grommet, we can adapt that size as well, and of course the panel depth, all those parameters can be adjusted. Here's just a small demo in terms of the flexibility. They have a certain amount of contraction, around 2 millimeters is our sort of safe zone. So this, for example, is a 20 millimeter hole. It has roughly 2 millimeters of safe zone contraction, and by that I mean that the top face here doesn't deform too much. If we squeeze it up really close, then of course it does that, so the cable tie could then potentially slip off. Of course, it's totally up to the customers how much they contract and expand these. If it still works out, that's fine. So there's a sleeve on the inside that passes further up the side just to give it some expansion as well. So again, 2 millimeters is kind of the ideal additional expansion, but you can go a little bit further. So yeah, that's just how that works. The benefit of these grommets is that you can remove your old grommet and simply expand this over the harness that you have, and then pop it in place, and there's no removing the entire harness to get every individual plug through, which in most cases is not even possible because you can't get an ECU plug, for example, through a factory harness. Well, you can probably if you're rough enough. Anyway, cheers for checking it out. If you have any custom requirements, feel free to get in touch. Check the range out on our website, and yeah, cool. Cheers.